Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I recreated the character Jigsaw from the oh so famous Saw movies. This one took a little bit more effort, but the end result was totally worth it. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Alright, to get this base, I purchased white face paint. It was super cheap and was pretty thick. I would advise you to apply this stuff in layers just to get the desired look. I just lathered this stuff all over my face using a sponge, and then I moved on to a brush. Taking my black gel liner from L'Oreal, I created some real dark spooky brows. And from there, I took my black bean jumbo pencil from NYX and carved out where I was going to place my eyes. I wanted my eyes to be dark, so I made sure not to put any of the white paint on my eyelids. Using the remainder of the black jumbo pencil, I used it to really carve out my nose. This made my nose look smaller and scarier. Here, I'm just filling in the exposed skin with white face paint. Kind of just like filling in the blanks. Just going back in and darkening my brows and my contoured area. Going into my trusty Makeup Forever Flash palette, I took the red shade and began to create my lips. I definitely wanted them to be exaggerated, so I overfilled them. To create a more sunken-in cheekbone, I defined them using my black bean cream from NYX. I use a light hand and not too much product while doing this. Alright, so let's move on to those infamous cheeks. I just used the same red color from the Flash palette and slowly created the swirls on each side. I found that the less perfect it looked, the creepier it seemed. Onto the eyes. This part was a little tricky, but really helped complete the look. Now if you have contact lenses, you can use those. I didn't, so I created the Jigsaw eyes on top of my eyelids. I used red for the eyeball and just placed a black dot as the iris. I completed it by filling in the rest of my eyes with black. A quick little tip for this look, I would really suggest that you apply translucent powder so that the creams won't melt off your face or move around. especially on your eyelids. Once you're done with the eyes, you can go ahead and add some finishing touches. Once that's all done, the look is complete. And there you go, a relatively simple Jigsaw Halloween look. You'll definitely add a scare to any Halloween event you choose to wear this to. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Catch you later, loves.